Today we're diving into some incredibly smart ways you can make extra money. So grab a notebook, get ready to take some notes, and let's jump right into these 10 genius ways to make more money. Let's kick things off with an easy one: online surveys. Websites and apps like Swagbucks, Survey Junkie, and Inbox Dollars actually pay you for your opinion. By sharing your thoughts on everything from your favorite brands to your latest shopping experiences, you can rack up points, rewards, and even cold, hard cash. Imagine getting paid while waiting for your morning coffee or during commercial breaks. Now, a pro tip here is to sign up for multiple platforms to maximize your earning potential. Each site has different survey opportunities, so the more you join, the more chances you have to earn. It might seem like small amounts at first, but those earnings can really add up over time. Are you the creative type? Do you love making jewelry, candles, art, or anything else crafty? If so, turning your passion into profit by selling on Etsy could be your golden ticket. Etsy makes it incredibly easy to set up your own online shop, list your products, and start selling. Think about what you enjoy creating. Maybe you knit cozy scarves, design quirky t-shirts, or upcycle furniture into unique statement pieces. Remember, high-quality photos and detailed descriptions are key to attracting buyers. Showcase your products in the best light possible and highlight what makes them special. Use social media to promote your shop, engage with potential customers, and even run special promotions or discounts. If you have a knack for words and a way with grammar, freelance writing could be your ticket to a flexible and lucrative side hustle. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and ProBlogger are fantastic places to find freelance writing gigs. You can browse through a wide range of projects, set your own rates, and connect with clients from all over the globe. Start by creating a website or online portfolio to showcase your writing samples. When you're first starting out, don't be afraid to take on smaller, lower-paying projects to build your portfolio and gain experience. As you complete more projects and receive positive feedback, you can gradually increase your rates. Investing in the stock market is one of the most powerful ways to grow your wealth over time. Instead of letting your money just sit in a savings account earning minimal interest, you're putting it to work for you in the market. When you invest in stocks, you're essentially buying a small ownership stake in publicly traded companies. The key is to approach investing with a long-term mindset and to diversify your portfolio. A great way to get started is with low-cost index funds or ETFs, exchange-traded funds. These funds allow you to invest in a basket of stocks, which helps to mitigate risk. Before you invest a single dollar, take some time to educate yourself about the basics of investing. Have a spare bedroom or in-law suite sitting vacant? Why not put it to work and generate some passive income by renting it out on Airbnb? You set the price, availability, house rules, and even the type of guests you're willing to host. To maximize your bookings, create a compelling listing with high-quality photos, a detailed description of your space, and any amenities you offer. Highlight what makes your place unique and appealing to potential guests. Positive reviews are crucial for attracting future bookings. Always screen your potential guests thoroughly, communicate clearly about house rules, and consider investing in additional security measures. Are you a whiz at math, a grammar guru? Or perhaps you have a knack for breaking down complex scientific concepts into easy-to-understand lessons. Or maybe you can explain the complexities of organic chemistry with ease. Whatever your expertise, there's a student out there who could benefit from your knowledge. If so, why not share your knowledge and earn some extra cash by becoming a part-time tutor? It's a fantastic way to leverage your skills while helping others succeed academically. Tutoring is a rewarding and flexible side hustle that allows you to set your own hours, work with students of all ages, and make a real difference in their lives. Imagine the satisfaction of seeing a student's face light up when they finally grasp a difficult concept. You can find tutoring gigs through online platforms like TutorMe and Skylar, which connect you with students in need of your expertise. These platforms make it easy to manage your schedule and communicate with students, or even advertise your services locally through community bulletin boards, where parents and students often look for reliable tutors. Schools and libraries are also great places to offer your tutoring services. These institutions are always in need of passionate individuals who can help students excel. Set competitive rates based on your experience and the subject you're tutoring. It's important to be fair but also to value your time and expertise. Be patient, encouraging, and adapt your teaching style to meet the individual needs of each student. Remember, everyone learns differently, and your ability to tailor your approach can make a significant impact. So it's important to be flexible and find what works best for each individual. With dedication and passion, you can help students achieve their academic goals while enjoying a fulfilling part-time job. Let's be honest, we've all got stuff lying around the house that we never use. But instead of letting it clutter up your space, why not turn it into cash? One person's trash is another person's treasure. And thanks to online marketplaces like eBay, Facebook Marketplace, and Craigslist, it's easier than ever to sell your unwanted items. Start by decluttering your home and identifying items you no longer need or use. Take clear, well-lit photos of your items and write detailed descriptions that accurately represent their condition. Price your items competitively. Be responsive to inquiries, answer questions promptly, and be willing to negotiate with potential buyers. Good communication can make all the difference in closing a sale. You can also offer local pickup options to avoid shipping fees altogether. Do you have an eye for design and a knack for creating visually appealing graphics? If so, freelance graphic design could be the perfect side hustle for you. Platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, and 99 Designs connect freelance designers with clients from around the globe. When creating your portfolio, showcase your versatility and range of skills. Craft a compelling profile that highlights your skills, experience, and design aesthetic. Communication is key. Respond to client inquiries promptly and professionally. Ask clarifying questions to ensure you understand their vision, and provide regular updates on your progress. Remember, the goal is to create a design that meets the client's needs and exceeds their expectations. Have a passion for writing, photography, travel, food, or just about anything else? Blogging could be your ticket to sharing your passions with the world while generating passive income. Imagine turning your hobbies into a source of revenue. By monetizing your blog through advertising, affiliate marketing, sponsored posts, and even selling your own products or services, you can turn your passion project into a profitable online business. The possibilities are endless. Create high-quality, engaging content that provides value to your readers. This is the foundation of a successful blog. Your content should be informative, entertaining, and relevant to your audience. Promote your blog like crazy. Share your posts on social media, engage with other bloggers in your niche, and consider guest posting on other websites to reach a wider audience. Networking is key. Once you've built a loyal following, you can start exploring monetization strategies. Google AdSense is a popular option for beginners, allowing you to display ads on your blog and earn revenue based on clicks or impressions. But don't stop there. Look into affiliate marketing, where you promote products or services and earn a commission for every sale made through your referral links. Sponsored posts are another great way to earn money. Engage with your audience by responding to comments and emails. Building a community around your blog can lead to more opportunities for monetization. Consider offering premium content or services such as ebooks, online courses, or consulting. These can be significant revenue streams. Remember, consistency is key. Regularly update your blog with fresh content to keep your audience engaged and coming back for more. With dedication and hard work, you can turn your blog into a thriving business. Happy blogging! Let's wrap things up with a unique and potentially lucrative way to make money from something you already own: your car. Imagine turning your idle vehicle into a money-making machine. It's easier than you think. If you're not using your car all the time, why not put it to work for you by renting it out on Turo? This platform allows you to make the most out of your car's downtime. Turo is a peer-to-peer car-sharing platform that allows car owners to list their vehicles for rent and connect with people who need a car temporarily. It's like Airbnb, but for cars. By listing it on Turo, you can earn passive income while you're at work, running errands, or even on vacation. Your car can be making money for you while you're busy with other things. Set your own rental rates and availability. You have full control over how much you charge, and when your car is available for rent. Keep your car clean and well-maintained to attract renters. Provide excellent customer service. A well-presented car is more likely to get rented out frequently. Respond to inquiries promptly, be flexible with pickup and drop-off times, and go the extra mile to ensure your renters have a positive experience. Happy renters are more likely to leave good reviews, which can lead to more bookings in the future. Thanks for watching. If you found these tips helpful, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more content like this. Let us know in the comments which method you're excited to try, and we'll see you in the next video.